Venue operations executives have plenty of choices when it comes to facility management software. If your venue is making any software decisions, you'll want to know why VenuMax Facility Management stands out among the competition. Briefly, our facility software gives you a solution that's easy to use, fully integrated with booking, sales, and accounting, and packed with a complete set of powerful features. Let's take a closer look at VenuMax Facilities Management Module. Workgroups and organization. The software provides you with a completely flexible way to set up your crews and commit departmental and employee resources to each crew. With one click, you can jump to an underlying employee record and see everything from employment history to skills and certifications. Preventive maintenance. You establish preventive maintenance tasks by listing all possible service tasks under the item class. Here you also define maintenance intervals for each service. Afterwards, you can review a list of pending PM tasks, narrow this list as needed, and generate the resulting inspection orders. Task owners receive an email, and the new tasks post immediately to your operations dashboard. Mobile inspections. The Facilities Management Module includes free mobile applications like the mobile inspection app you see here. Just pull up an inspection and snap a picture with your phone. The result is immediately posted to your inspection record. Service orders. Let's take this pothole problem one step further and create a service order to fix it. VenuMax service orders provide a flexible way to tie in internal labor, internal parts, and outside services. When it comes to outside services, you simply enter the vendor and the purchase order AP bill information, and they attach automatically to the service order. Afterwards, all of these costs are summarized under the facility record, where you see the entire maintenance history of the item being serviced. Location tracking. Users who register their phones can use the location tracking feature of the software to determine where anyone is during work hours. In the location tracking screen, hit View on Map, and you can see where that employee is presently. So that's it for some of the key VenuMax facilities management features. Don't forget the VenuMax modules are always 100% web-based, supported by local certified resellers, and include all native mobile screens at no extra cost. For more information, contact us or look for more VenuMax videos online.